Waterdrop 10UA UF, ultrafiltration, under sink system. Heads up, check the page for the current price and prime seller deals. I include the buy link in the description box. We share buy links in description box. The 10UA UF is Waterdrop's ultrafiltration, UF, variation of the compact undersink filter family, and it's designed to filter down to 0.01 micrometer, which is useful for bacteria reduction while keeping beneficial dissolved minerals in the water. The listing emphasizes a larger filtration area to reduce clogging, push-to-connect fittings for fast install, and an advertised service life of up to 11,000 gallons or about 12 months under municipal water. Compared with basic carbon-only filters, UF can be a better pick when bacterial load or particulate concerns are present. Again, not a direct replacement for RO if you want very low TDS, but a good middle ground between pitcher filters and full RO systems. User sentiment on the UF model skews positive for taste and perceived safety. Reviewers often report noticeably clearer water and fewer odors, and many call out the simple twist-lock cartridge swaps as a huge convenience. A few practical notes from user threads. Verify compatibility with your feed valve and faucet. And if you are on a private well, you may still want prefiltration depending on local water quality. Customers like the long-rated capacity and the larger adhesion area, Waterdrop's wording, which in practice seems to translate to fewer sudden clogs and longer time between cartridge changes for average households. For people who want bacterial reduction while preserving minerals, and who don't want to deal with an RO tank, this UF option is worth considering. Pros is long-rated life, twist and lock convenience, and compact install. Cons is not an RO, so won't drop TDS drastically. Check faucet compatibility and replacement cartridge availability cost. It's a great step-up choice if you want higher microbial protection than standard carbon filters but don't need or want RO complexity. And yes, we share buy links in description box so you can check exact pricing and included fittings on.